If you want it, Nation All-Stars. Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody got you covered.
Nation All-Stars.
Excuse me, what song are you dancing to?
I'm here.
Thank you so much for being here. You know what I mean? Putting it down like you always do. Yo, what you got coming up, man? Where you spending at these days? Let them know, man. Let them know.
Because I know. I've been seeing your schedule. You're busy. This guy extra busy.
I mean, just to give a heads up. Tonight, I'm gonna be at Squads on Utica Ave.
Okay.
Something gonna be different.
Yes.
I'll be all over the place.
I know.
Every third Saturday, I'm in Miami. I'm in Hollywood Live every third Saturday of the month.
Okay. You do Blasi
on Mondays. That's like
Where's that?
Blasi's 22702 Linden Boulevard.
Okay, Queens.
Yes.
Yep.
That's like the only weekly event I do.
Right.
Because I like to move around too much.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man.
I'm on the grind. I'm everywhere. Just follow me on that Instagram, Facebook, and you see where I'm at every day.
Yes. At DJ Stacks, at DJ STA.
KZ.
Yes. High profile crew. Big up to the entire high profile massive. Haitian Kings of New York, you know what I'm saying? You making it happen, man. Yo, man, just let us know your experience. Were you born here or were you born in Haiti?
No, I was born here.
Okay. How did you, what basically got your start in terms of being a DJ? You know what I'm saying?
My father always had, as most Haitian parents, always had a lot of equipment around, but he was more into it than the average person. So he had turntables around, had the Haitian records, and he would show me how to spin. And on the other hand, I have an older brother who was deeply into reggae.
Yeah.
And he was cool running around with Stone Love. So it was like, I was growing up in the best of both worlds in a sense.
Yes.
And I had a cousin in Queens who was heavy into hip hop. So that's how I met like Recipes, Jam Master Jay.
Yes.
And so I was kind of getting it from all.
And you're from Queens?
No, I'm from Brooklyn.
Oh, you're from Brooklyn. Okay. All right. And what has been your experience like? Because nowadays, like, you can't do a party without playing compa. Just as much as you hear reggae, soca,
right.
You throwing in, and that's what I loved about you, because you're really schooling this generation on the compa. You know what I'm saying? Like, I always play compa, but when I hear you play it, you know what I'm saying? It just brings that much more. So what is it about playing compa as well as reggae and soca that means a lot to you, that makes it really
I feel like, it's my culture. I embrace my culture. I love my culture. So I feel like if I'm gonna come to an event and I'm gonna express certain things, or I'm gonna play a certain way, I'm gonna open up to you what I'm about as well.
Right.
You gotta know me, period.
That's right.
Another thing is, I don't know, something about the compa, man, is just different. Like, I feel like if you can listen to reggae and hip hop and soca, you never know who's Haitian until you, or who's French Caribbean, until you actually go there.
Right.
Like, I've been to places, real quick, such as Temptation back in the days, and it was like hardcore reggae, hip hop, soca.
Yep.
And they told me, Stacks, come through and just play a couple compa, and I played compa, and it was like the whole room just burst out because a room full of Haitians.
Right.
You just not know.
That's right, because we're Haitian, we're everywhere. We're like cockroaches. We're like cockroaches.
I always felt like that would be the difference between me and other people.
Yes.
A lot of people are afraid to do certain things. Like, it's nothing wrong with playing one or two songs of compa and getting somebody excited, or you know what I'm saying, or in terms of like, I come in, I play it, and you'll see who's who.
Right.
You might not, there's certain things you might not like. You might not like a song, but you're gonna get used to it after a while.
Yes.
So I feel like I'm gonna come through. I'm not gonna give you 20 minutes in a reggae party.
Right.
But I'm gonna bust it and let you know I'm here. I'm gonna
That's right.
my people.
That's right. Aitina Sundam is on there.
And the funny thing about it is, I remember one time I went to Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
I was down there, and they had a DJ who was playing Haitian music. When I tell you the real compa,
Yeah.
and guess what? They had a few Haitian down there, and I said,
We're
oh
everywhere.
my God.
That's like Brooklyn.
And
Brooklyn's
I was
everywhere.
like, I know I was Haitian, I was down there, but I didn't know
Yeah.
I had other Haitians
Yes.
next to me, right there in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
It's like,
So
it's crazy.
listen, we are getting a little overtime. We got Max Glazier coming up. We're good, Max? We got Max Glazier coming up, Federation Sound for years.
yes,
You know
yes.
what I mean? Coming up to mash up the reggae. Speaking of reggae music, he's gonna throw it down real quick. But let our audiences know one more time who you are and what you're about. Give them the Instagram, the Twitter, the Facebook. We're out of here, y'all. So DJ Stacks, let them know, man. Take them out.
DJ Stacks, Haitian King. I used to say New York, now I'm gonna say the world.
Alright.
DJ Stacks, Haitian King. I represent New York. I represent Haiti to the fullest.
Yes.
Follow me on Instagram, DJ STAKZ. Also Team HKNY, high profile. Big up the whole family, Haitian All Stars, and let's just do it. Continuously.
Yo, thank you so much for being here, man. We ran into each other at the Barclays. We was
Center.
on stage together, you know what I'm saying? That was crazy, man. You know what I mean? That was actually my first time touching that stage. I've been to the Barclays 3 times before.
Yeah.
Games and, you know, all that kind of stuff, man. You know, but that was my first time on that stage, man. So I really commend you for rocking that stadium.
Thank you, sir.
rocked that stadium for sure.
That's what
and I was
we
like,
do.
yo, that's what we do.
That's what we do.
I was like, yo, Stacks, you gotta come on the Haitian All Star show, man, and thank you for being here, man. I appreciate that.
That's the way it is.
Yes, man.
Haitian All Stars, we're here, we in the
Yes,
building.
yes.
Haitian All Stars.